Compare with the other USBs. It's just the half size of the Sandisk cz73. From the package we can see the speed is up to 150. That's just for the read speed, and also is compatible with Windows Vista 7, 8, Windows 10 and Mac OS 10. It's made in China. Just take a close look at. Before the test, there are two things I need to mention. The first thing is there's no LED indicator for this USB, so be careful when you unplug it. The second is the original file system for this USB is exFAT. It doesn't matter if you're a Windows user or Mac user or both. You can simply read and write this USB. If occasionally you formatted your USB into another file system, you can only format it back to exFAT in Windows. All the folding tests are under exFAT, so I won't format it in NTFS or HFS. I plug the USB to my Mac. When I opened the drive, I found there are some software already loaded into this USB. Obviously, this exe file is for Windows. If you are a Mac user, you can open this folder and open this PDF and scroll down to download the software here using this link. I've already downloaded this, so I won't do it here. For the software, just simply click continue and then choose your USB and then click continue, install, password. Alright, when it's done, there will be a new program here called Sandisk Secure Access. When you double click it, it will ask you to create your password. Okay, click OK. Next. Here's the software. If you want to copy your file to a USB drive, just simply drag it here. And this software will make your data encrypted and safe. The transfer speed is about 100 gig per second. Okay, now let's just test the speed with the software. Okay. Here we can see the speed is really good. Also, if you don't want your data to be encrypted, you can just simply drag the file into the USB. If you're doing this, your data won't be protected. Okay, let's test this in Windows. I plugged the USB to my Windows PC and then opened it. I found everything's here, so there's only one thing I can click, which is the exe program. It asks me for the password directly. I'll use the password I've set in Mac, then see if it works. Yeah, it works. So that means this USB works cross-platform. There is one more thing I need to mention. If you are copying a file larger than 1 gig to the USB, for the first 1 gig, the writing speed will be around 100 megabytes per second, and then drop to about 40 megabytes per second and remain the same. The reading speed won't be affected. In my opinion, the reason of this is the USB has only 1 gig of cache, which will speed up the performance of writing. Once it's exhausted, the writing speed will go back to normal. Also, the encryption software won't slow down the transfer speed of the USB. It's the end of the video. Thanks very much for watching.